So guys, today I'm really excited. I'm going to check out this new AI code editor. It's called DeepSight. It's completely free. Perfect for someone like me to try out how these AI code editors work. For all of you to know, I am a chartered accountant. I am a finance professional. My name is Sankalp Sahu, and I have no experience with writing code in my life. But AI kind of gives us this power to write your own code, create your own products, even if you are not coming from the coding background. So I've heard a lot about these other tools, Cursor, Windsurf, Replit, but I've never tried them. DeepSight is probably the first thing I'm going to try. I'm very excited how it turns out. So this is the website you need to go to. It's deployed on Hugging Face. You can see the URL up here. It's DeepSight, and here is the text box where you can input your prompts. The AI will kind of give you some a workable product, a workable code that you can deploy directly out of this website. So you don't need to go somewhere and deploy it. That's a pretty cool feature. I'm pretty confused. What am I going to build? I don't have anything serious in my mind, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Basically, I want something that these AI editors can build, not something very hard. I can't ask it to create a stock trading app. Of course, it takes a lot more effort. So something that I can actually use myself and also build so that this exercise is not in vain. So let's see if some ideas it may give me. AI powered compliance calendar. This should be a pretty sick thing to build. I've seen a lot of compliance calendars, but they are very boring and not very personalized. For example, if someone is practicing in income tax but not in ROC, if he will need a very personalized compliance calendar, right? And actually, I am even more excited that I can actually build each one of them, and it can be very useful for everyone. An AI powered compliance calendar will be like a calendar based on business type and can alert based on due dates. I am probably interested in that. I may not need an email reminder, but I need a pretty good website that it takes your structure and asks you what due dates you want, what calendar do you want to generate, and it generates a compliance calendar for you. What I'm going to do is copy this. That's exactly what you need to do. Nothing more. You just need to paste it here and send it there. Yes, that's all you need to do. And it will generate the code on its own. But I'm pretty excited to see how good is the output. What does it generate? Now, I do not have experience with any other code editors. If I had, I would have compared it for you guys. If you want to see how Cursor works, how Windsurf works, how Replit works, how Lovable works, if you want that, do let me know in the comments. I will look at those AI code editors as well. But for now, just look at the user interface it has loaded. I am I am convinced with the colors it has chosen and that dashboard that it is building. Taxo, it has given a very good name as well, Taxo compliance. I don't know if anything else I want on top of it, but let's see. So basically it's kind of building a product which builds a tax compliance calendar for a business or in a professional. It's building an example. It's loading the dates as on 2023. I would certainly need it to be updated on a real-time basis. It looks professional. It's something that I'm sure takes a lot of programming knowledge to build. I am very impressed upon the UI that it has built. What will be key is to see how it generates the back end of the thing, the database, all those handling stuff. I'm sure it may not do that, but whatever it has done is wild, I would say. It's very exciting. It has also generated a compliance calendar based on every month. I am impressed by the structure that it has thrown. It's going to take some time to build the entire thing. We're going to look at it as it's doing. So AI has responded successfully. and it has built a very, very good structure, a very, very good structure. I don't know what happens if I click on this thing, but it gives a nice shade when I hover the mouse upon it, but it doesn't do anything. So when I click on set up new business, it shows a pop-up box where I can select the type of business. If I choose I'm a private limited business, it asks the PAN number, GSTN if applicable. I'm able to put the PAN number here. So we're going to put in a sample PAN number and we're going to save this business. Okay, GSTN is not applicable, so we'll put not applicable. So we're going to save this business. Okay, business name. So we're going to put this business name ASP Associates, which is our firm's name. We're going to put a dummy entry and see how it works. Okay, so it has popped up. It says business has been set up successfully. The compliance calendar is being generated. So probably based on the proprietorship, it's going to set up a compliance calendar, right? So, so it has taken a sample company as PAN and its GSTN, and it has given us a compliance calendar. Suppose I go to 20th, I'll go to Zul. So it should show GST and ROC and income tax stuff. On 20th July, there is GST return. On 25th July, all the logics are yet to be put in place, but the structure is correct. It's showing a compliance summary. Okay, out of the number of compliances, how many compliances have you actually viewed detailed report? If I click on view detailed report, okay, it's showing me the thing. You can also deploy it right from here, right? There is quick action, so I can include GST return filing utilities here as well. Let's see how it shows when it goes to calendar. So there are some things that it has not generated, but it gives me a very good website, a very good product blueprint, a prototype right in front of me to work on. So if, for example, if I am a chartered accountant firm and I want to build, client facing website, a client facing product that gives my client not only the compliance calendar but also all the services that I want to offer it. Anyone can build it. On top of it, it's completely free for someone to try, learn, and truly understand how AI can really transform businesses, help you reach clients you never knew you could reach, and creating products like this, creating services like this that no one else is doing. Only your ideas are your limitations. If you can think of it, now AI gives you all these tools to build it on your own. That's what is really the transformative power that AI is bringing into the world. It will grow, it will become even more important going forward. That is why learning AI and learning these tools, understanding and being aware of the things that are happening in the world of AI is very, very important. And that's why I am 100% into it. I want to share this knowledge as I'm learning. I want everyone else to be on the same boat as we move to the future. If you want to ride this wave, follow this account, comment, and let's build a very vibrant community. We meet every Saturday, 9 p.m. for 1 hour, where I discuss it with all of the members in a live session. If this feels really exciting, join us and have a good day.